Hey, how you doing everyone today? We're here at Espressotec Sales and Service in our Barista Lab. What do we got? We have our Jura J6 here. What we're going to do today is just do a little bit of a YouTube video to show you guys what's going on with the machine so viewers at home can get a sense of how the machine functions and operates. This machine is going to be that new machine to the J line for Jura, so handmade in Switzerland for these machines. We've got our cup warmer off to the side here just to keep the cup kind of, nice and warm before you make your espresso. That's what cup warmers do. So first off, what we're going to do today is just make an espresso. This machine has the new pulse extraction process and intelligent pre-brew system. They've also got a G3 grinder here. So let's get it extra strong. I like on-the-fly adjustments. But in terms of the espresso market for the Jura machines, these ones are definitely making great espresso. You can almost taste the difference between machines. If you're an Americano drinker, they've now integrated this kind of hot water tap there on the side. And then there with the PE process, just as someone who's seen it before they had the PEP process, I think the machines sound a little bit quieter and function quieter than they used to. Smells good. That's warm. Great. That's rich. Alright, let's get the video started for everyone else. I got my coffee. So what we're going to do is we're basically going to make a cappuccino here, show everyone a bit how the machine functions, and use its OTC technology. It's got 12 programmable drinks that you can choose from. Here on the front, you can either choose from the 6 favorites that are right available, or you can rotate through all the available drinks on the full menu that you want to access. When you rotate the top dial here, you can make on-the-fly adjustments for the step that the procedure is in. So it just ground. I adjusted it from medium to extra strong. We'll reduce the milk size a little bit too, just to 10 seconds. I have no idea how big the cup size is in it. That's programmed for this cup normally. You'll see there right from the rear nozzle it starts to brew the espresso from the back. This is what we call a one-touch cappuccino. Lots of foam there, nice dense foam. It's good to hear too is you have an adjustable foamer if you want to make it a little bit more specific to your needs. But I mean, for not adjusting much programming there, you got a beautiful, strong cappuccino that's coming out. Just pass that to the cameraman. There you are, dude.
Thank you.
So, you can do that into another cup or straight into the tray. What it does is just run water through. On the side here, you've got a large 2.1 liter water tank. It's removable. And then on the back lid is where your grinder is. Holds about a half bag of coffee. If you're someone who likes to try lots of different types of coffees, try not to fill it up too much because it can be hard to get all of the beans out. On the side is where all your accessories are kept, spare tube, dosing funnel, or rather dosing scoop. So if you want to make coffee in the pre-grounds, that's right here. You can do 1 for a single or 2 scoops for a double. This is also the same place that the cleaning tablet goes. The machine thought I put in some ground coffee there. Very intelligent machine. So if we had added the ground coffee and it sensed it, it would have made our ground coffee for us. We'll show you how to make an Americano. showing off the new hot water spout that's near the J line there. All you gotta do is just do hot water here. It goes right into your cup. So it's a really seamless experience, I think, using this machine now, which is nice. Enjoy. What a nice another feature about this machine that folks online might want to know about is that it has an integration to your smartphone with the addition of the Smart Connect. So that's a Bluetooth feature with this machine. It's an accessory and an add-on that you can grab and download the application at home and just have the machine integrated onto your smartphone, iPhone, Android. You guys are going to want to check out the next video where we're going to show you how to install the Smart Connect. Perfect, more coffee for me. We're going to show you in the next video how to install the Smart Connect and how to use it and integrate with your phone. So if you guys have any other questions though, feel free to comment below. If you want to see and check out more videos or stay in touch for the next one, just like and subscribe. See ya.